A sheer endlessness value expectation outline with the truly current cost of $8.62, a sheer boundlessness for the most part holds its ground in the market in a truly significant way. Long-haul examination proposes that a sheer vastness cost might actually flood to $7,623.27 by 2050 in a kind of significant manner. A sheer limitlessness, Axes, generally is determined to explicitly arrive at a truly normal cost of $15.14 toward the finish of 2025, which certainly is very huge. The cost of one Axes would explicitly reach as high as $107.43 United States dollars by 2030 in a kind of huge manner. Experts project a bullish pattern for a sheer limitlessness in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $5,653.53 mark, which truly is very critical. Starting around 11 January 2024, a sheer vastness especially is exchanging at $8.62 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.89% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which basically is very critical. Axes truly has an extremely all-out market cap of $1,137,958,761, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $156,349,825, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. This in a real sense makes a sheer vastness, Axes, fundamentally positioning at 63 in the cryptographic money market in an every way that really matters, huge way. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the sheer boundlessness cost expectation end of 2024, what will a sheer vastness essentially be truly worth in 2024? Is a sheer endlessness an excellent speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2024 in a by and large huge manner? Will Axes cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high, which really is very huge? These for the most part are our sheer boundlessness cost expectations for Axes future in an unpretentious manner. A sheer limitlessness, Axes, value expectation 2024, as per the sheer vastness gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Axes cost explicitly is supposed to especially cross a by and large normal value level of $10.62, the normal essentially least value worth of a sheer boundlessness, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to be $10.23. Exhibiting how sort of is a sheer endlessness a sort of wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2024, or so they generally thought. Besides, Axes can generally arrive at a greatest value level of $13.12, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axes value conjecture January 2024. In January 2024, the cost of a sheer limitlessness really is estimated to be at around a very least worth of $7.51 in a kind of significant manner. The sheer vastness value worth can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $8.45, with the typical exchanging worth of $8.22 in United States dollars, showing the way that the sheer boundlessness value worth can essentially arrive at in an every way that really matters, limit of $8.45, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $8.22 in United States dollars in a very significant way. Axes value conjecture February 2024. With respect to February 2024, a sheer boundlessness really is supposed to arrive at an all things considered least value worth of $8.15 in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Axes cost could truly arrive at in every practical sense greatest cost of $8.86, with the typical cost around $8.47, which essentially is genuinely huge. A sheer boundlessness value conjecture Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of a sheer limitlessness truly is supposed to in every practical sense be at around a kind of least of $8.32, which especially shows that assuming you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the sheer vastness cost expectation end of 2024. What will a sheer endlessness generally be essentially worth in 2024? A sheer vastness cost can arrive at in every practical sense limit of $9.29, with the sort of typical cost of $8.63 in United States dollars, which especially is very huge. Axes value conjecture April 2024. With respect to April 2024, a sheer vastness sort of is supposed to especially arrive at an especially least value worth of $8.42, for the most part further appearance how Axes value gauge April 2024. concerning April 2024, Axie limitlessness in every practical sense is supposed to by and large arrive at and in every way that really matters. Least value worth of $8.42. The Axes cost could fundamentally arrive at a really greatest cost of $9.63, with the extremely normal cost around $8.81, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness, Axes, value figure May 2024. The Axie limitlessness, Axes, value for May 2024, may in a real sense arrive at a really least worth of $8.77, while the greatest determined cost in a real sense is around $9.99, which generally is genuinely huge. The genuinely normal cost for Axes in every practical sense is for the most part anticipated to reach $9.16 in May 2024, which basically is very critical. Axes value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Axie vastness for the most part is gauged to explicitly be at around a base worth of $9.12, which in a real sense is very huge. The Axie vastness value worth can in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally limit of $10.35, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $9.43 in United States dollars, which especially is very huge. Axie endlessness value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Axie vastness certainly is supposed to basically be at around and in every practical sense, least of $9.31, truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness cost can arrive at an extremely limit of $10.82, with the genuinely normal cost of $9.62 in United States dollars, or so they sort of thought. Axes value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Axie vastness truly is gauged to be at around a genuinely least worth of $9.50, which for the most part is very huge. The Axie boundlessness value worth can generally arrive at a kind of limit of $11.30, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $9.82 in United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Axes value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Axie vastness for the most part is estimated to in every way that really matters be at around an extremely least worth of $9.62, or so they basically thought. The Axie endlessness value worth can arrive at a really limit of $11.80, with the very normal exchanging worth of $10.01 in United States dollars, which especially is very huge. Axes value conjecture October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Axie limitlessness basically is supposed to really arrive at a kind of least value worth of $9.82, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Axes cost could for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $12.20, with the truly normal cost around $10.21, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Axes value gauge November 2024. The Axie vastness conjecture for November 2024 expects that the Axes may fundamentally arrive at a for the most